Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Viber and picking the chat or group where you'll share location. Grant location permission in settings if Viber asks, otherwise the feature won't work. Tap the plus or paperclip icon inside the chat to reveal media and tools. Once done, choose location from the menu. This begins the handoff between the app and your device's location services. You're initiating permission, selecting the chat, and preparing the share. This step gets everything ready. Next, decide whether you want live location, so your movement updates for a set time or a pinned place to send a fixed address. Tap live location, pick a duration, and confirm. This streams your coordinates to recipients for that window. If you prefer a static spot, search or drop a pin, then choose share place. Make sure to add a short note if needed, because context helps the recipient. Once selected, preview the map and hit send to publish the location into the chat. Finally, confirm the map preview is posted in the chat and that the pin or live marker shows the expected position. If the share doesn't appear, first toggle your device GPS off and on, then restart Viber to refresh permissions. Make sure location permission remains allowed and that you have network access. Switch Wi-Fi or cellular if needed. If accuracy is poor, move to an open area for a better GPS fix and resend the location. This resolves most issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.